Hello friends, we have come with a new video in which we will going to learn how to construct a given rectangle. So let us begin. Draw a rectangle ABCD. So we have got one rough diagram as ABCD. We have named it. Please take care of the naming. Let us see what else they have given to us. Such that segment AB is 6 centimeter. So we have written here AB as 6 centimeter. As you know, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So AB opposite to side DC. Therefore, side DC is also 6 centimeter. And side BC they have given measurement as 4.5 centimeter. Here again BC is opposite side of side DA, therefore DA also will be 4.5 centimeter. You will see that all the four sides are given. Is it enough? No, one more information is needed and they have not given anything. But we know that each angles of a rectangle is right angle. So I indicated that with the right angle. Now we can construct the rectangle very easily. So let us begin. First we will draw a line, base line. We will fix radius 6 centimeter in our rounder and draw segment AB on the drawn line. See here, arc, opposite side arc, the segment we get between the 2 points as you see, and name them as AB and 6 centimeter. So we got two vertices of the given rectangle. Now I will take the help of protractor and draw 90-degree angle at point B. By now you know how to draw 90-degree angle with the help of protractor. So keep the vertex of the protractor or central point of the protractor at point B. Start counting from A side on the protractor. Start counting from A side on the protractor and go till 90 degree. Put the point and draw a ray. Got it? Then we will go at point A and keep the protractor at point A and start counting from B side on the protractor and then draw 90-degree angle. Clear? Before that we will fix it at point C by using the rounder 4.5 centimeter and name it here. So again at point A, as I told you, we will draw right angle. Got it? The same radius which we have not changed in the rounder, we will keep the pointer at point A and cut an arc. We will get our point D. So you know that how you have got your point C and D. What you did, you have kept the center point on vertex B, started counting on protractor from A side till 90 degree and drawn the ray which indicates 90 degree, and then you have taken 4.5 centimeter radius in a rounder and from point B you have cut an arc which gave you point C. Same way from A you have drawn the 90-degree angle and cut an arc which given to you point D. When you join D and C point, you got your rectangle what you required. I hope it is understood, clear. So draw it in your notebook and practice it. See you with the next video, and please do not forget to share with your friends.